If you're over 60, chances are you've had at least one trip to the emergency room you didn't plan. A fall, a heart scare, a blood pressure spike, or a medication mix-up can happen fast, and it can change your life. The good news is that in 2025, there are 3 simple gadgets that can quietly watch your back, warn you when something's wrong, and in some cases call for help before a small problem becomes a hospital stay. In this video, we'll go through the 3 gadgets every senior should seriously consider in 2025 to stay out of the hospital. What they do, how they help, and how to choose the right ones for you, even if you're not good with technology. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Vital Years. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe, independent, and out of the hospital as you age, using simple, practical, science-backed advice that actually works in real life. Subscribing means you won't miss videos that protect your health, confidence, and freedom after 60. Why gadgets matter now. As we age, risks increase. Falls, heart issues, blood pressure problems, diabetes, lung conditions, and medication errors become more common. At the same time, healthcare systems are shifting more care into the home through wearables, remote patient monitoring, and telehealth. Research shows that when used consistently and supported by health professionals, these tools can detect warning signs earlier, reduce some unplanned hospital visits, and improve quality of life. Modern fall detection devices now combine sensors and AI to automatically detect many real falls and call for help, which can be life-saving if someone can't reach a phone. Think of these gadgets not as toys, but as extra sets of eyes and ears, always on, even when you're tired or distracted. Gadget number 1, a smartwatch or medical alert with fall detection. The first gadget is a fall detection and emergency alert device, often worn as a smartwatch, pendant, or small wearable. Falls remain one of the leading causes of injury-related hospitalizations in older adults, and a serious fall where you can't get up or reach a phone can quickly turn a manageable situation into a life-threatening one. Modern systems use accelerometers, barometers, GPS, and AI algorithms to detect a fall and automatically call a monitoring center or emergency contact, even if you can't press a button. In 2025, options include dedicated medical alert watches and pendants with automatic fall detection and GPS, as well as mainstream smartwatches that add fall detection, heart rate alerts, and emergency SOS features. These devices don't prevent falls, but they can dramatically reduce long lie time, the time spent on the floor before help arrives, which is linked to worse outcomes and more complications. Faster response often means faster care, less time in the hospital, and better recovery. Just as importantly, wearing one can give you the confidence to keep moving instead of avoiding activity out of fear, which itself leads to weakness and more falls. When choosing a device, look for automatic fall detection, GPS for out-of-home emergencies, a waterproof or shower-safe design since many falls happen in the bathroom, and a 24/7 monitoring plan that fits your budget. If you dislike technology, choose the simplest model with one clear button and a help center that can walk you through setup. Quietly wearing one of these most days can be the difference between being stuck for hours and having help arrive in minutes. Gadget number 2, a home blood pressure or glucose monitor that shares data. The second gadget is an at-home vital sign monitor, especially a blood pressure monitor or a continuous glucose monitor, depending on your health. High blood pressure and poorly controlled diabetes are major drivers of strokes, heart attacks, kidney problems, and emergency visits in older adults. Clinic readings are only a snapshot, while at home your numbers can quietly spike or crash without obvious symptoms. Remote patient monitoring programs now use connected blood pressure cuffs, glucose monitors, and other devices to send readings directly to care teams, allowing earlier adjustments when something starts to drift. Used well, these tools help catch trends like steadily rising morning blood pressure or dangerously low overnight blood sugar before they turn into full-blown crises. Choosing the right device often starts with a conversation with your doctor or pharmacist about an automatic blood pressure cuff with memory or Bluetooth, or whether a continuous glucose monitor or smart meter is appropriate for diabetes. Ask if your clinic supports remote monitoring, so someone reviews your readings and contacts you if something looks dangerous. To keep it realistic, set a simple routine, such as checking blood pressure each morning. Track trends rather than obsessing over single numbers, and focus on patterns over days and weeks. This gadget isn't just about numbers. It's an early warning radar for your heart and blood vessels. Gadget number 3. A simple smart assistant or medication reminder system. The third gadget may surprise you. A smart assistant or medication reminder system. Many hospitalizations in older adults are caused not only by disease, but by missed doses, double doses, confusion with complex medication schedules, dehydration, missed appointments, or delayed responses to symptoms. Voice-activated assistants can set medication and hydration reminders, announce appointments, and respond to simple voice commands like calling a family member. Programmable pill dispensers can beep, flash, or unlock only at the correct time, and some even alert a caregiver if doses are missed. These tools help reduce missed doses of critical medications, prevent accidental double-taking, and gently nudge you to drink water, check blood sugar, or log symptoms. Especially important if you live alone or manage multiple conditions. Even a basic timer and labeled pill box is better than relying on memory alone. But newer devices make consistency far easier and reduce the risk of medication-related emergencies. Putting the 3 gadgets together. These 3 gadgets form a simple safety net. A fall detection watch or medical alert protects you from being alone and helpless after a fall or sudden event. A home blood pressure or glucose monitor helps spot dangerous trends before they trigger a crisis. A smart assistant or medication reminder system keeps you on track with the daily habits that prevent emergencies in the first place. They don't replace your doctor, good judgment, or the need for movement, nutrition, and sleep, but they provide backup when you're tired, distracted, or alone, especially in the middle of the night. Overcoming, I'm not good with technology. If you're thinking this sounds helpful, but you're terrible with technology, you're not alone. Technology use among older adults is rising quickly, including health monitoring devices, but the key is not mastering everything. It's choosing the simplest tool that solves your biggest concern. Start with one gadget, not all 3. Ask a family member, friend, or local tech help service to set it up with you. Write simple instructions on an index card and keep it near the charging spot. Practice using it a few times when you're calm, so it feels familiar in an emergency. Think of it like learning to use a microwave years ago. Awkward at first, effortless later. So, the 3 gadgets every senior should consider in 2025 to help stay out of the hospital are a fall detection smartwatch or medical alert, a home monitor for blood pressure or glucose that you use regularly, and a smart assistant or medication reminder system to keep daily routines on track. You don't need every feature or the latest model. You just need tools that quietly work in the background so you can live with more confidence and less fear. If this video helped you feel more prepared and less worried about the future, please like the video and subscribe to Vital Years. We share practical ways every week to stay independent, avoid hospital visits, and protect your health in your vital years. Share this with someone over 60, especially if they live alone. It could genuinely make a difference.